G'day traders, Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading, and today we're going to review the 1 hour support and resistance levels. October the 3rd, 2016, Monday. We're just about, we're starting the first trading day of the month of October, and just going over again, drawing our levels for today and how support and resistance levels can play a big role in your Forex trading using the 1 hour charts. Now, as you may have heard me say in other videos, I don't normally trade on a Monday, but I do like to still draw my levels and watch how my analysis plays out, and I like to use Monday as an opening range day to establish potentially where there may be opportunities on Tuesday, but I do feel that in my experience Monday is just a day that I like to let the market trade and establish a direction. So we're just looking at the pound yen cross. And you can see already as London is starting to open up now, we've got a low from Asia and we have a high from Asia, which coincides with the breakout from Friday's closing US session on the gap this morning. And then we have a level that corresponds with Wednesday, Thursday, Friday last week of buyers, but just using that as a low. And if I was trading today, I would wait for the next few hours to trade first before I look at entering the market. I like the orange represents the 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. New York open. And if anything was going to be done today, it would have been looking towards the open of London. But as I said, I'm not trading. So just looking at, I'll show you the different pairs. I look at the pound cross rates, mainly like the pound cross rates because they tend to have the I think the most consistent average range of tradable opportunities. Now, if you just think in common sense terms, we're looking at a range right now of roughly 70 to 50. So we're looking at approximately 80 pips of movement in this range. So if you were going to be looking to see something set up as a buy signal, you're looking to try and buy low. And you'd be selling high, or even looking to trade a coiling pattern that might be retesting the lows somewhere down underneath. But again, you're looking for a range of where you're going to be taking on risk where you've got at least 2 or 3 to 1 reward opportunities. Looking at the Euro New Zealand, again, we see a range that's set up a breakout from Friday's previous selling level, and that's now coiling inside the moving average. So potentially we may see a retest of Friday's high, and again I would be looking for something to set up over the next couple of hours that would give me direction with that. Pound USD, again we've got a gap on this morning, so we've definitely got selling pressure that came into the market on the open. We retested that before the Asia sessions heading into the close, and as you see, as London opens and Asia closes, they've straight away come in heavy with heavy selling. So over the next couple hours, I think I would only be, the way that this is set up, would be a big ask for me to be looking for anything over other than selling, whether that's into London or into the US session. But again, we'll look to see what happens. Pound Aussie, same thing, very similar to the pound open. Gap on the open, obviously heavy selling pressure. So gap, as L. Brooks always talks about, that gap just represents a spike. So we've had a selling spike on the open, trapping longs into the London open. Now those initial bulls would be feeling some heat. There might be some bear triggers underneath the bull stops, and we might see this market head even lower. Pound New Zealand, similar. Again, we've got our ranges underneath Thursday, Friday's profile. Asia's high, and on the London open now, so looking for anything that would be setting up as a sell signal or a coiling pattern towards last week's lows. US peso, I'll be looking for something possibly to set up looking long heading into maybe the US session. The peso, if you haven't looked at, an interesting currency pair to study, lots of average range. And definitely in the U.S. session, we tend to see consistent movement as the U.S. market opens. So lots happening this week, first day of the trading month. And again, you can already see the peso potentially might be setting up at some point today or tomorrow, looking to retest one of these extremes. Keep it simple, traders. Support and resistance. time of day, hourly charts, and just keep things simple, looking for support and resistance levels where you're able to buy with minimal risk and or sell with minimal risk and the potential for at least a 2 or 3 to 1 gain. So hopefully you got some value out of today's video, traders. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and keep it simple. Have a great trading week. May the markets go with you.
Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.